Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Indeed app on your smartphone. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you are connected to internet and head over to your Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone or the App Store if you're using an iPhone. I'm using my Android phone, so I'm gonna open my Google Play Store. Once you're on the store, you can see the search option over here. Tap on it. Now tap on the search bar. Now type in Indeed and search for it. Indeed is the job finding portal. So as you can see in the results, here it shows Indeed job search app. You can look for the app with this logo. Once you find the app, here you can see the install button right next to the app icon. If you are on your iPhone, you will see a get button. So tap on it to install the app on your phone. The download process will start. It will take few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is completed, here you can see the open button. You can directly launch the app from here. So tap on open. And there you go. Indeed app is successfully downloaded on your smartphone. You can now create your account and explore this app. So this is how you can download Indeed app on your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.